Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today what we're gonna do is some classic cheeseburger, y'all. The classic American cheeseburger. Let's go. So the first thing I want to do, I want to make us some potatoes with this here. So I got a baked potato, and I'm going to take this here with the colander, and I'm going to julienne some of these here potatoes to get us some fries. So we're going to do us some fries up right now. Now I'm telling you something, if you get you a nice colander, always be careful with how you use that thing. These blades look like they could cut an artery. I'm not even lying, be blood everywhere if we hit that thing wrong. But here, y'all, if you can look, these are the julienne fries that we do got, and we're just gonna put them in some clear, clean water right now, and we just want to wash out some of the starch that's in these here potatoes. So trust and believe me, these are going to be some good old tasting fries that's going to go along with our good old American cheeseburger. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So check this out. Don't go nowhere. If you do, you're going to miss something. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking a paper towel and I want to dry the moisture off of these here fries. I'm just going to throw these in the air fryer, y'all. I'm going to set these babies in the air fryer and then go from there. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to do something else special for you right now. We're going to take this cast iron pot and I'm tossing in some mushrooms. My wife liked these mushrooms on her burger. I don't eat mushrooms on my burger, y'all, but she liked mushrooms on her burger. So what I'm going to do for her is just make her up some mushrooms real quick, and I'm adding in at least around about 2 tablespoons of butter. This is going to give that these mushrooms a nice flavor. And then with that being said, I'm going to also toss in some of this seasoning that I concocted for myself. You know what I'm saying? So this seasoning that I have right here in this pan is some Parmesan cheese mixed up with a little bit of other seasonings or whatever the case may be. And this is my Parmesan seasoning right here. This is what it's called, Parmesan seasoning, Ray Mack style. So I want to sprinkle some of this here Parmesan seasoning on those mushrooms and move them out of that skillet, and we can go ahead and get these burgers in the skillet. I'm not even going to wash this skillet out. I sure ain't. I'm going to throw the burgers right in this skillet with all that mushroom flavors. Now the patties that I'm using are some Walmart already pre-made patties. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to get in there and get your hands nasty and grimy, go get you some pre-made patties. That's not going to hurt nobody. Come on, somebody. We got to stop being bougie. That's how we are at times. But hey, pre-made patties don't hurt nobody. They make some of the best burgers still. You know what I mean? So while we're getting these pre-made patties all done up and everything else, I want to throw some of this seasoning on it. And I like that Fire and Smoke Society. That's that that's that burger seasoning right here that they create. You can get this at Walmart. Hey, I told y'all thousands of times watching my videos, I don't get paid for this stuff, but look at that seasoning though. This is why I love Smoke and Fire Society seasonings, and you can get their products at Walmart. I'm telling you. Now I'm taking these fries that I already do have. Now I did drizzle some olive oil and I sprinkled some salt and some pepper on these here fries, right? And I'm throwing them in my air fryer. I didn't parboil or nothing like that. I just threw them right in there because that's what I'm going to do. Toss them right in that air fryer at 350 degrees, and I'm letting these babies cook until they get a nice crisp on them. Okay, now with our burger patties, as you can see, they already done. Cook them how you like them. I like mine not running with blood because I don't like the moo. You understand what I'm saying? But now, if I had me a Wagyu burger, then yeah, you better give me that thing. I want it medium well. You understand what I'm saying? But this is not a Wagyu burger, so I want it all cooked. You feel me? So I put mushrooms on one with the Swiss cheese. That's my wife. The other ones with the American cheese. That's mine. And this is hers. She don't want bread or nothing like that with hers. So this is what I had to do. I had to fix hers, pass it on to her. But I'm gonna go ahead and do me. You feel me? So with my good old American burger, classic American burger, I'm putting on some mustard along with some ketchup. Now you can use whatever kind of condiment you want. Make your own burger sauce and all that. Come on, y'all. I'm just keeping it all American. So I'm gonna toss me on some lettuce. And when I get down with these burgers, get finished with these burgers, it's going down. You understand what I'm saying? So I got this lettuce, and that's on there with this nice old sliced tomato that will fill the whole bun up. I'm trying to tell you, boy, we eating good tonight. So I'm throwing on some pickles with this as well. This is the burger pickles. Y'all know all them kosher's be slapping, they be hitting. I'm trying to tell you right now, if I had a drink right now, it'll be a drink called the Pickleback. I will have me some Jameson, that's whiskey. For y'all don't know what Jameson is, I have a shot of Jameson and a shot of pickle juice, and then I would shoot it. You would shoot you would drink the Jameson quickly, and then chase it behind with some pickle juice. Y'all try that, the Pickleback. That's the name of it, the Pickleback. Now I got these juicy burgers, and I'm stacking it right on top. You understand what I'm saying? With some of these here raw onions. Yes, good old American burger ain't no good old American burger if you ain't putting on raw onions. You ain't got to cook your onions all the time. Sometimes you just want a good old tasting burger. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm slapping on some of that old mayo on top of that bread right yonder. And we're about to, come on, move over, sandwich. And let's get these fries on this here tray. That's what I'm talking about. These are those air fryer fries right there, y'all. You know what I'm saying? The only thing I want to do now, I know I'm talking so much, but you got to understand where I'm coming from. I want to take some of that Mack's Parmesan seasoning. That's what I'm calling it, Mack's Parmesan seasoning, and I'm springing it right on top of these here fries, laid down to the side. But look at this here, y'all. I'm gonna be quiet for 1 second, maybe a minute. Give you a minute. Y'all ready to bite this here burger? Man, look at them fries. It looks so good and delicious. Oh my goodness, y'all. When I tell y'all I fell in love with this here good old American burger when I first picked it up, I knew we was meant to be together. Yes, Jesus. When I bit into that juicy burger, I knew that we were meant to be together. Y'all better get in there, man, and try this here burger, man, in your home. Now, if you want to do the Swiss burger, the mushroom Swiss burger, all you have to do is just pretty much just do it like I just did. Throw that baby on a bun and you ready to roll. So thanks for watching this here video. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. All you have to do is click on my picture and watch these here videos as well, okay? Now, I want you to please give this a thumbs up, comment below, and do me a favor, subscribe. Love and not hate. Love somebody, hate nobody. Peace.